Hey, good morning guys. So we just go in downtown Victoria. It's Sunday right now, so you guys just saw the footage from Friday afternoon at the Butcher Gardens, and I'm with my buddy Kevin here, and he's a co-worker of mine, and he's going to take some pictures and I'll take some footage where it's going to be Deuces Sunday. So I believe there's 1,600 Deuces downtown, so it's going to be pretty intense. And but we found a parking spot, so good so far, yeah?
So far, so good.
But first we're going to grab a bite here and breakfast, and then go enjoy some Deuces. So should be a good time. We just finished breakfast, had a nice coffee here with Kev, and welcome to Deuces weekend here. This is insane. I've never seen this so packed, man.
Probably never will again.
Ridiculous. Oh my god. It's insane.
In-N-Out burger.
Yeah. There you go.
What the hell was that? We just got here with Keith. He's a good friend of my friend Brian, and this is his truck here, so tell us about it.
Hi everyone, it's a 1937 Chevrolet, built by me and my pals, basically in my shop. 13-year build, had a family during that time, and it took a while to get going, but we're on the road for about 5 years. Lots of fun, and enjoy coming to Deuce Days here. It's first time as a participant. I've been several other times, and met this nice fellow Sam through some friends, and looking forward to having a good friendship with Sam.
Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah, 13 years build, guys, so this is the work and effort and love that goes in all these trucks we see. Almost 1,400 vehicles like this.
Yeah.
It's just insane. I've never seen Victoria like exploded like this.
It's like rolling art, Sam. It really is. You know, everyone's expressing themselves through their vehicles. And, you know,
it's a beautiful. It's another type of art, I believe.
It is truly another type of art.
They were starting parking cars this morning at 3:30, so
Yeah,
just blows my mind.
Yeah, you've got everything here, every different type of wheel and color and personality, and you know, you got the little kids and the older people. It's hot rodding's always been kind of a special thing.
I love it.
Brings family together. And
they got the old classic music playing as well. It's pretty cool. But yeah, beautiful track, Keith. It's a pleasure to have you.
Thanks, Sam. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I'm sure I'll see you in the future.
Take care, bud.
There's some crazy historic pieces here. It's just insane. Okay. We've been here like a couple hours and still we're probably a third or a quarter done. It's insane how many cars there are. It's blowing my mind. I've never seen anything like it.
So I have to find.
Okay, Frank. I think we just found my favorite one here. The Buick. This is insane.
Feel like
Cool. So that's a wrap. That was kind of overwhelming, I would say. 1,400 cars, just insane. But so that's probably the next video coming up. We got some rims coming up too, and yeah, it's looking all pretty good. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, enjoy your day.
Andiamo.
Andiamo.